AR/VR solutions increase efficiency in manufacturing, operation, inspection, and maintenance in varied industries. Fata Morgana provides an easy scenario editor where you can simply upload your data, create a step-by-step guide, and deploy the scenario to your workforce. Create a complex 3D scenario in minutes using our Fata Morgana Studio application and preview it instantly using our custom-built VR adapter. No cables required. Fata Morgana AR training significantly reduces time needed, makes instructions clearer, and documentation more accessible. AR training is more effective and easier to manage than traditional training methods. Interacting with virtual objects is more intuitive and the learning is faster. VR/AR training increases frontline workers' competency, resulting in better line flexibility, faster onboarding, and higher yields with fewer mistakes. Mixed reality lets you enhance the real environment with virtual controls to make the experience more immersive, efficient, and intuitive. Fata Morgana Touch app makes supervision easy using our interactive AR video stream so you always know what's in view. Guided operation mode increases reliability of workers with AR guidance as well as decreasing time to successfully complete tasks. Guide your frontline workers even in challenging environments using steps or AR animations and perform maintenance or adjustments with no training required. Fata Morgana gives you everything you need to do it remotely and with ease using just the HoloLens 2. Fata Morgana provides a high-resolution interactive AR video and complete 3D scan, so your experts can inspect even the most complex environments easily, even from the other side of the world. Your data is safe too. Everything is processed locally, with military-grade encryption. And did we mention it can do it all offline? Your experts can interact with inspection workers as if they were on-site using checkpoints, measurements, and photo documentation. With Fata Morgana Starter Kit, remote inspection has never been easier. Order now at pocketvirtuality.com. Fata Morgana can be truly immersive. Just don't forget, not everything is AR. Fata Morgana. Simple tool, big innovation. By Pocket Virtuality.